My sister-in-law is telling me that here is all you can eat. You pay the cost and you eat whatever you eat. Okay, so what is this, Anika?
That's the pot. You put your stuff in.
Okay.
Or you could do hot pot and barbecue.
Yeah. Oh, so you're gonna cook the red ones in here? The red meat in here?
The raw meat.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. This is a brand new day, and I'm on the road with my girl. But since she's camera shy, you guys will get a glimpse of her, but you won't know when the camera is on her, so don't worry about it. Anyway, you guys, I have a few things to do on the road today. I am going to, where are we going? We're going to the dollar store. We're going to a bunch of stores. Wherever we go, then you guys will see. But yeah, my sister-in-law is my forever chauffeur. My chauffeur, my day one chauffeur.
No payment.
No payments. She had her lunch break, so we have to do this really quick, and she stay busy, y'all. I don't know how she gets so many things done within a day, but this girl is like I don't even want to say superhero, but you guys, look how you guys going to miss this vlog, because my battery is blinking and I don't have no spare battery. Jesus mercy. Oh my god, you guys, my battery is about to die. Oh no, me know me to leave something, you know. I'm so pissed. Anyway guys, if you guys don't see me, then you guys will just miss this part, or I'm probably gonna have to use my phone. But anyway, I'm out here in these streets, and I didn't give you guys the original good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, did I? I don't know. I'm just all over the place today. I know I'm pissed because I forget the battery. You guys, look at that deer that I saw as we're driving by. Where's the other one? Ooh, look. Hello, friends. Oh my gosh, you guys, look, I blend in with the headboard. You guys, so I've been back off the road, went to the dollar store, get all the things that I think I need to top off Sarah's birthday for Sunday. So that is all set. So I got most of the things at the dollar store, went to ShopRite to pick up ice cream and I think some nuggets and fries, but I didn't take you guys to ShopRite with me. However, I got back home and now I'm heading out again. I am so tired, but this heading out will be worth it. I am heading to have dinner with the fam bam at a restaurant. When I get to the restaurant, I'll be sure to vlog for you guys, show you guys around, and tell you guys about my experience. So let's go. You guys haven't seen the rest of the fam bam all day, so you guys will see them, and we're gonna head out to eat. So I'll see you guys at the restaurant. Beauties sleepy. Look at them, both of them in purple rain. Watch me good niece. Watch miserable. Watch her mouth. Look at her mouth. So we are at a place called K-Pot Bar. What the K stand for? Korean pot. We're at a place called Korean pot, and I like this technique. This method, I've never seen it before. So you have this pot in the middle where you cook the thing, and you have like literally the stove here in front of you. And I guess those over there are dessert that Anika and Babe went to get. And then I guess you're gonna choose from the menu, which Anika is doing right now. The things come and then you cook your own food. So yeah, look at my nephew, he's already eating. Look at him, look at his mouth. Look at my boy. Hi Peanuts. Hi Peanuts. You got him eating pineapple. Hey, he might kill that in a man. My nephew don't play with food. Look at him. What's that? To drink? Nothing. Nothing? I don't see anything like I love.
Mango pineapple juice,
pistachio. Babe, definitely. But me, no. Huh?
Okay, mango pineapple juice.
You want juice?
Pepsi, whatever. Whichever one want a mango pineapple juice or Pepsi or whatever.
Oh, look. Hello.
Okay,
Virgin pina colada, I didn't see it. You know that's my drink. Water. Papa soon get your juice, okay? You want lemon? Use lemon.
And something?
Come.
Alcohol, bro.
No, but you have none alcohol in the other side if you want
No,
something.
I'm good. I'll just do water. I'm going to be so full, bro.
Yeah, I think that's...
Babe, you ready? My sister-in-law is telling me that here is all you can eat. You pay the cost and you eat whatever you eat. So I'm looking forward to. So on the paper that you saw, Anika, that I saw you with, you mark what you want and you carry it to the table. Okay, so here you go.
What we had in this Errands.
Okay, so you mark what you want from the menu and they carry it to the table, and you go and you choose your sauces and you choose the dessert, and you have the big table all to yourself. And they have fries and nuggets for the kids. So we have the kids all occupied. That's a trick.
Usually they have
Never leave the things that they need. Ooh, okay, so the raw food is coming right now. And I see chicken coming. Okay, salad. Yeah. Okay, so what is this, Anika?
That's the pot. You put your stuff in.
Okay.
You need to be over there, so that's the other part.
Thank you.
These are hot. They're
The pot itself is hot? Okay.
Here's the lady.
Tyler, Ty, you don't touch this, okay? Look at all that food. Look at all that food. Oh, there's shrimp, there's chicken. You want to give me a water? And put it over the corner? Oh, you don't want it anymore?
It's taking up too much space.
It's a good thing I moved Sarah from there too. It's better here. Oh, they're noodles.
Thank you.
Wow.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, we have Connor. Hey. Alright, so I forgot to get right now.
We have plates on those. How does it work?
of these are throughout America, but if you've never visited, you have to. It tastes so good. So good. Everything is on point. On point. How's the food, babe? Hey, he can't even talk. No?
I can't stop.
What he's eating? Pizza, yeah? Eating away. Look at my face. You see my face? My sister-in-law and I sitting in the car. We can't move. She don't want to drive and I don't want her to drive. So we're just sitting here. You guys, that place. Let me show you what's the name of the place. When she's driving past it, I'm going to show you guys a sign. It's named Korean Pot and Barbecue. Let me tell you something. Food galore. Anika, something wrong with our phone.
Okay, let me see.
And you take as much food, you cook as much as you want, but make sure so you eat it off. And listen to me, we stuck after we finish our first set. We struggled through set 2. Oh God. And in the third set, it didn't happen. So we left a little bit of food. It wasn't too much, but thanks to Anika and Babe. They're the champion of the day.
Listen,
and Connor.
Nobody could have matched Ludo.
Yo, Babe look like a Santa Claus when he finished. We could have run Babe's stomach like this. I should have taken out the camera and show you guys Babe, but before Babe left, because they already left in front of us. But we're just sitting here in the parking lot.
Not have strength to defend myself.
Anika is wondering if she's to drive or we're to just sit here for the night. Anika, you're not driving? Oh God. One. There it is. K-pot, hot pot and Korean barbecue. Yes, there it is. That's the name of the place. I don't know if this place have other branches. Well, I'm assuming if it's this good, there must be other branches in the USA. But wherever you are, if you ever seen this restaurant, tell them Melissa sent you. Probably will get a little discount. Don't listen to me, yeah. Anika is like, go on. You guys, I'm just joking. You won't get no discount, but the food will be worth it. You'll say thanks, Mel, for the recommendation. On a serious note, but we had such a good time. We laugh at each other because we couldn't finish our food. And the kids being kids, doing what they do. Oh my gosh, but no, we're heading home and we're just gonna sprawl out and reach home. Hopefully the kids will go to bed in peace, all four of them. But we're on our way home, so it was good while it lasts. I was telling my sister-in-law that I couldn't tell the last time my waist bag felt this tight. I've never seen Anika driving and her head is on the back of her seat.
Listen.
I've never seen Anika drive the way she's driving right now. Coles, I always hear about that store too. Oh, there's a Sephora over there, a Sephora in France. Italian. I've never seen Anika drive so relaxed. Anika is a gangster driver and the way Anika driving right now. You know what? I'm gonna stop talking to you guys because I'm having too much fun. I'm having way too much fun. Anyway, I'll see you guys when I get home to end this vlog. You guys, look at my diva niece. Look at her. Look at my little lady. Legs well crossed. Humbly watching her phone. Look at her. Look at her cute self. My little twinnie. And look at this one, she. Look at her. Two divas in the back. Look at these two. Look at them. Hey, you two. Hey, you two. What you two down here doing? These two are yin and yin. They can't do without each other. You see them? Sarah love her some Connor. And Connor love him some Sarah. Look at them, look at them. You see them? The two of them